Everyone, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Makeda. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Come in, sit down, let's get into this video. So this video would not be possible without Dossier. This video is sponsored by my good friends. I love them so much. They sent me over these two beautiful candles and I'm utterly obsessed. Dossier is all about luxury fragrances and luxury home fragrances that are affordable. They really believe that everyone should experience luxury, and what better way to experience luxury on your body and in your home. So these are the two candles they sent me. They smell absolutely amazing. And guys, if you are a true candle burner like I am, the size is absolutely perfect. I am not a fan of candles that are super small because I love candles so much. By the time I burn them, they're like done. But this is literally the perfect size and it smells so amazing and it just radiates through your house, the scent, and I absolutely love it. Click the link down below so you can check them out and also get a discount. They're all about everyone experiencing luxury, and experience luxury with Dossier. Click the link, boo. Don't miss out. Don't miss out on the blessings of the luxury. Let's get into this video. So by the title, this video is all about incorporating color into your wardrobe. If you are someone that is all about neutral colors, but you're like, this is the year where I'm going to incorporate color into my wardrobe, it is a little intimidating, or you're not really sure how to maximize the colors that you have in your wardrobe, this is the video for you. So let's get started. So if you're really intimidated by wearing color, this tip is for you. You definitely can start off with a pop of color. This can be in your lipstick, this can be a pop of color in your belt, a pop of color in your shoe, maybe your handbag. You don't have to go all in. If you already have the base where you have a lot of neutrals, blacks, creams, grays, like those kind of colors, you can always have a pop of color in your bag, your shoe, your jewelry. There's so many ways just to give like a peekaboo. Tip number 2. So I know sometimes when you are wearing color, you're like, what color goes with orange? What color goes with yellow? I don't want to just put black with yellow. I don't want to just put white with yellow. You can color block. So one of my favorite combinations is orange and blue. In this photo right here that I'm wearing, I had this orange dress. If it's still available, I will link it down below. If the shoes are still available, if everything's available, I will link it down below. But I love color blocking, so I did this orange dress and then I popped in this blue shoe and this blue bag to match, and I absolutely love that outfit. I was in Miami when I wore that and I absolutely love it. So color block, look at a color wheel, look at the opposite ends and kind of just match and then go from there. You know, you don't necessarily have to match the colors, you can just do bright with bright, and if they complement each other, then go for it. Number 3. So I think a lot of people get intimidated with color because they just see these crazy colors and they're like, how could I ever wear that? Well, you could. I think you have to find colors that complement your skin tone. So for me, like, I look great in orange, I look great in yellow, I look great in green. So the colors that I know I look great in, I'm already stepping in with like confidence that, hey, like these outfits could work for me because the colors work with my skin. So definitely find colors that complement your skin tone, and I think you'll definitely feel more comfortable because you'll see how the item fits on your body and how it just really complements the beauty of all that you are, and you'll really feel a lot more comfortable. Number 4 is to keep it balanced. I feel like back in the day, I loved color so much, I would like go super crazy. I would have like a bright color shirt, then I would do like a print on the bottom. Listen, I have been through it with my fashion journey. Did I think I looked fly? Yes, but now I really know how to balance. For example, I told you I absolutely love wearing green. This is a green dress. In person it's quite bright, but then I'm like, I'm not gonna color block, I'm just kind of balance it with a white. So I did a white bag, and then I did a white shoe. Another example is this Acne Studio pant that I absolutely love. It's super bright, so then again I balanced it with white. I did a white pump, and then I did a white bag. Another example is this red top and this red jacket. And then I balanced it with a denim, and then white pump, white bag. So I really know what colors work for me, and I really already know like my personal style. So it's so easy for me to grab pieces because I know how I like to put things together on my body, which I will have a video coming up about personal style, so stay tuned for that. So number 4 is just to keep it balanced. You don't have to color block. Sometimes you just want to do a bright color dress, bright color matching set or something, and then you just balance it with a neutral shoe, a neutral bag, or something like that. So keep it balanced. And number 5, I think is the most important tip for me. I think you really have to experiment and have fun with color. I think color is supposed to add depth, interest, and a little spark to your outfit. So while yes, we can say, you know, color block these items together, color block these textures that are different colors, keep it balanced, and all these great things, which are very, very valid tips, I think you really have to just play in color. And that's what I've been doing. I'm really trying to like experiment. Sometimes in my head I think, oh, this color will go with this color, and then when I put it on I'm like and then it looks different with something. So really have fun, experiment, and see what works for you. And listen, if you put something on and it doesn't work, take it off. Like, you're fine. No foul, no fault. Just keep experimenting, and I'm sure you will find your sweet spot when it comes to your color palette in your wardrobe. I hope this was helpful. If you have any additional tips, definitely leave them in the comment below. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.